Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we're sitting out here on our porch swing, on our front porch, and we're waiting for the lightning bugs. Today I'm doing a challenge set by Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and each month she gives us one word, and we do whatever, we build a video around that however we'd like to. And this month's word is seasons. And Darren and I sit out on our front porch in the evenings in the summertime, very late spring, they usually come out and watch the lightning bugs. We sit out on our front porch pretty much spring, summer, and fall. We absolutely love it. We like to watch the neighbors' fields grow. We're in farm country. So if you ask me, what is your favorite season? I would say all of them, because Darren and I are outdoors all year enjoying doing one thing or another. Thank you, Tammy, for another fun month. Please be sure and go watch all of the videos with the hashtag that is listed below. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.